Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an update. So this is basically a API whose link you have already shared with me. I have written a code and let me show you how this is going to work. So you can see this is sheet one. The 10 tab name is sheet one, and uh, I'm pulling three values: localized, item, and the prices. Let me show you the okay. So to pull the data in here, there are two controls, two buttons. This one is fetch data and this one is clear. So I'll be pressing the fetch data. When you will be running this for the first time, and I'm running this for the first time as well, so you will be seeing this authorization, which will obviously ask you to confirm through which account you want to pull this data. So press continue, click on the email addresses. If you have multiple accounts, you can select the one you want to use this app script. Then click on advanced and select on the left bottom. Then click on the right bottom as allow, and that is it. This might not give you the result because this time it just authorized your account. So you need to press it again. I'm pressing this again and you can see all the data is being pulled right in here. I've added an extra control for the clearing of data. So you can press this button, clear, and this will clear all of these things. Yep, that is it. And I have added the remarks on the code side as well, so that you can have you can how you can access the code. Let me show you. So you can click on the extension, click on the app script, and as soon as you will click on the app script, it will take you to here. And yep, here you can see these double slashes are my remarks, which will allow you to navigate through it. And if you want to make a change, if you have any idea about the app script or the JavaScript, you can make the changes in it. So let me give you a quick view on it. So this one is the sheet name, sheet one, which is this one. So if you are planning to make any changes in the tab name, you need to go to the app script and change this name only once. And this is the link of the URL uh, through which we are pulling the data. Now this is, we are assigning the link and fetching the data in a JSON format. And then we are converting that data. We'll be looping through that data and figure out what exactly we want. So we want to reach to the server one price. So we have to reach the first entry, the main entry is data, which is result. Then we'll be looping through the server ID. Then we'll be looping through the markets. And then based on the market length, we'll be looking through these servers. So wherever the server is one, this is the criterion here. So server is one. If server is two, it won't tag the data. But if the server is one, then it's going to pull these values. The localized, whatever the localized item name is there, which is in our case is the localized name, cotton. And the second one is the item name, which is used, the actual item name used in the data, and then the price against it. Once all the data is there, we'll be pasting this data into our Google Sheet in the second row, first column, which is second row, first column. So this will be column A2. If there will be more data in it, it will paste the data at the bottom. Let me show you once again. If I'll clear partial data, and I'll press this again, you will see all the data again. So the data will always be pasted in here. So if you are planning to have this data backup, you can always make the copy of these columns and paste in somewhere else. So that is it from my side. Please do leave a feedback on the completion. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.